Hey everybody, I've had several requests to show how to replace the oil filter on an Enclave, Acadia, and Traverse. When you're doing this job, I really recommend you do it when it's cold. If you're going to do it when it's hot, go ahead and invest in one of these Kevlar heat sleeves that you can put your arm in. That way you don't burn yourself on the exhaust or the converter while you're doing this job. This job takes a 63 oil filter. I really recommend a GM oil filter or an AC Delco oil filter for GM applications. The best way to get this oil filter is from the top of the vehicle. Right here where you put your oil in, it's straight down, right, like I said, right below the exhaust, right beside the converter. So you need to be very careful if you're doing this job when the vehicle's warm or hot. Also, when you remove this filter, it's going to drain oil down onto the ground. So you want to, if you are doing this on your carport or on any kind of concrete, you might want to put a drain pan underneath of it so you don't have to clean anything up afterwards. Oil filters are pretty simple to change. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. This one, if you look at it from the top, I know it's probably hard to see in this video, but it's actually in an angle down towards the converter assembly. So when you put it in, you need to angle it down and towards the converter. Let's go ahead and remove it. It should be hand tight, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So we're gonna twist it to the left. Go ahead and let it drain out a little bit. Alright, let's go ahead and remove it. What I like to do is go ahead and take it all the way loose and then let it hang down for a second so you don't drag out oil all over the vehicle. When doing this job, you want to make sure that when you remove the old filter, that you make sure that this ring comes off with the old filter. Or if it doesn't come off with the old filter, that you remove it from the engine before you install this filter. If you install this filter with this oil ring and there's one oil filter ring and there's one on the vehicle when you go to do it, you will have an oil leak. Let's go ahead and install this oil filter. You want to install it in an angle towards the converter. Just a little angle down. Go ahead and screw it on. Get it hand tight. And you're done. Sometimes the oil filter can be over tightened if somebody else puts it on and uses some kind of wrench or a strap to tighten it up, where they didn't go hand tight, or sometimes Hercules puts them on. If that's the case, I really recommend getting a pair of these oil filter pliers. They work great on this application because you can use them from the top. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And as always, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. Thanks again for watching. Click that subscribe button. Help me help you. Go ahead and give the video a thumbs up or click one of these other videos wherever they are. Thanks again for watching.